Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete messages on your Google Chat. Now, once you're in your Google Chat account, you might go to Spaces and click on the conversation you wish to delete. Once you're in the conversation page, when you try to long press a message, there has no delete message option for it. So what you're going to do is click on the name of your group chat. You may scroll down and you can see the delete button on the last part, and we click on that, and there will be a confirmation that you're sure you will delete this space forever. Once you confirm it, the conversation will no longer appear on your list, and that's it. You have successfully deleted your messages on your Google Chat. If you think this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.